Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Hook CH is equal to CH. ChO is a 4-carbon chain with carboxylic acid groups at C1 and C4 and a double bond between C2 and C3. Moving on to the next step. The longest carbon chain includes the carbonyl carbons of both ChO groups, giving a total of 4 carbons. The parent chain is but 4 carbons. The double bond is between C2 and C3, so the locant is but 2 Na. Both terminal carbons, C1 and C4, bear the principal characteristic group ChO expressed as OIC acid. For a diacid, the suffix is dioic acid, giving but 2-N-dioic acid. Moving on to the next step. But 2Na1,4 dicarboxylic acid would imply ChO groups are substituents on a 4-carbon chain, meaning the molecule would have 6 carbons total. Incorrect for this structure. But 2Na1,4 dioic acid correctly names a 4-carbon chain, including both carboxyl carbons, with a double bond at position 2 and dioic acid suffix at positions 1 and 4. This is correct. Ethene dicarboxylic acid treats the 2 carboxylic acids as substituents on a 2-carbon ethene chain, which is a semisystematic trivial style name, not strict IUPAC. Ethene dioic acid similarly uses only 2 carbons as the parent chain. Incorrect under IUPAC rules. And for the final step. The correct IUPAC name includes all 4 carbons in the parent chain with the suffix dioic acid, making option B correct. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.